Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for unemployment online in Florida. Applying for reemployment assistance can seem daunting, but we'll break it down into simple steps. The entire process is completed online through the state's Connect system, which is designed to be user-friendly. Expect to spend about 30 to 60 minutes completing your initial application. To qualify for Florida reemployment assistance, you must have lost your job through no fault of your own. Before you begin, gather essential documents like your Social Security number and driver's license or state ID. You'll also need detailed information for all employers over the past 18 months, including names, addresses, dates worked, and your gross earnings. The first step is to visit the official Florida Jobs.org website and navigate to the Reemployment Assistance section. You'll need to create an account and establish a unique 4-digit PIN for secure access. Carefully fill out all required sections of the online application, providing accurate details about your work history and personal information. Remember, you can save your progress if needed. After submitting your application, regularly check your Reconnect inbox for important messages, including your monetary determination notice. You must request benefit payments every 2 weeks and actively log at least 5 work search contacts each week to maintain eligibility. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. If your claim is denied, you have the right to appeal the decision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.